Hello traders, hope you're doing okay and that you're having a great trading week. This is my first video for the student instruction course. So the point of this video will be to show you how strong levels of support and resistance can help us find direction in the currency pairs in order to find our trades in the smaller time frame. So for this video I chose the Euro-Aussie pair. This is a weekly chart, and just by looking this video you may see how in this area the market was consolidated. Okay, so I've identified these levels of resistance and support. Okay, maybe here. So why these levels? Okay, well, first see how many times the market used this level as resistance or either support. Okay, coming from above, this was support. Coming from below, this is resistance. Okay, so this is resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance. All these times it was support, all this time is what it was resistance. So this is a very strong level. Okay, and here again support, support. Here it was also support, support and resistance. See how many times the market bounced here. Support, support, support. So it is pretty clear that here is a consolidation zone. Okay, and how also we can identify consolidation? Well, by seeing many trend lines being broken. Okay, many trend lines being broken here, here, here. All these times the market was breaking this trend line. So it is pretty clear that this is a very consolidation zone in which the market moved. Okay, so I want you to see how the market moved in this consolidation. Then it went, when it broke it here, it went here, finally here. Okay, see how these levels became again support and resistance. Okay, so let's zoom in this area, and I want you to see how when the market is moving in these levels of consolidation in the larger time frame, it can create as I told you, kind of trends in the smaller time frames. Okay, trends in the smaller time frames that allow us to find trades going from the resistance to the support levels. So I want you to notice also how around these levels the market forms candlestick formations. Okay, here you can see how in this resistance level the market created an evening star, engulfing bearish, an evening star, piercing line, big engulfing bearish. Okay, so it is very interesting how just by trading these candlestick formations at these levels you can make some money. Okay, and you can find very good trades in your smaller time frames. Sorry traders, I had to reopen my chart. Okay, so I want you to also notice how around these levels we can also find inner levels of consolidation. Okay, for example here you can see how this was past support and past resistance here. Okay, and how the market, when going across support and resistance, okay, it can also bounce at these inner levels. Okay, so for example here, when the market finally came here and was trying to get to support, I want you to see how the market used this level as support. Okay, and then when finally it broke it, here it created some bearish pattern, and again broke it, and see all these patterns, how the market bounce. Maybe this level is better here. Okay, see how the market here created a decision. Here it was a test. Okay, when you see a breakout, the market usually comes back and test this level just to finally come down. Here again you can see all these times the market finally bounce in this inner level. Okay, so it is very interesting how the market moves in these consolidation areas, and how we can find some trades in the smaller time frame. Okay, when the market broke here this resistance level, which was the next resistance level? Well, it was here. Okay, and we can see how the market came here, but not only here, but all the way up to here. And then here's what I'm talking about. Okay, here we can see the market for a small period of time also bouncing and around this level. Okay, and then I want you to see how the market finally came back. Okay, finally, and when we had this breakout, what were the levels the market was trying to reach? Okay, here was one. Okay, see how the market also from going from this level, okay, from this level to this level, also kind of consolidated there. Okay, and it finally came all the way down. But see how the market, while moving in these consolidation areas, it also creates follows trend lines, and also follows ABCDs and all and everything we know. Okay, here you can see how the market missed this D, but anyway, what I want you to notice is when the market, as soon as the market broke this trend line, which was the level that the market was going to go for? Oh, it was this past support, okay, to become future resistance. And I want you to notice how as soon as the market break this trend line, it also created a crown. Okay, I will use this tool, King's Crown. Okay, what is the first step? Break the trend line, create a higher high, go to the left tip. Okay, so here we have our crown, left tip, center tip. I will go all the way up to here. See how the market is going to try to get to this level. Okay, if we use a fib, see how more or less this level is the same as this level is more or less the 1.618. okay, so when the market start coming down, came to the right tip and finally found this past level of support to become future resistance. Okay, so I've erased this crown and this fib. Now I want you to let's go to the current market and see what's happening. Okay, I want you to see what's happening now and to try to find a good trade in the smaller time frame from what we are looking right now. Okay, so this is our level of support. Okay, and this is support, and this is the let me put this in a different color, perhaps yellow, which were our strongest levels of resistance and support. Okay, so I want you to see how the market from here, it has been also in consolidation for the past weeks and days. Okay, let me identify another level here, perhaps here, from past support, resistance, support. So these two, I will put them in blue. Okay, and I want you to see how right now the market is between these two blue levels. Okay, these two blue levels, it has been bouncing here. So and this is a trend line which the market hasn't been able to broken. We are currently here. Okay, very recently the market came to resistance, support, and very recently it came to resistance, and my feeling and what I think the market is going to do now is to go again to support. Okay, from what I will show you in a couple of minutes in the daily and 2-hour time frames. But trying to find direction in our bigger time frame, I want you to see that the market has only two options. Okay, and both of them will allow us to find good trades. Okay, if the market breaks this trend line, as always, it will come back and bounce back. Okay, use this past resistance to become future support and come first here and come to our very strong level of past support to become future resistance. But there's another way. Okay, there's another option, and this option is that the market from current market comes down, uses this past support to become future resistance, and come all the way down to this level of past support and resistance. Okay, here. So let me know what you think, but I believe that this is something in any pair you should try to look for. Okay, recent levels of consolidation where the market can, as soon as the market gives you a breakout, you can predict the next level, okay, of price action that the market is going to try to reach. Okay, so this was the weekly chart. Okay, traders, this is the daily chart. Okay, these are the blue lines I showed you in the weekly chart, very recent consolidation. Okay, and I believe the market, after this strong bearish movement here pattern and the stochastic being the sell zone, I think the market is going to make a sub A, B, C, D, and from here bounce at past resistance to become support, do the breakout, and then we will try to find a good trade going up to the yellow strong past support future resistance level. Okay, traders, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think about this video.